Are you experiencing vaginal dryness, discomfort, or odor? I recommend PhD Feminine Health Boric Acid Moisturizing Gel to my patients because it offers a holistic, effective, and affordable solution. It includes hyaluronic acid to retain moisture, vitamin E to improve vaginal dryness, and coconut oil to soothe and moisturize. After washing your hands, you're going to grab one reusable applicator. So let's remove it from the package now. Let's screw the applicator onto the top of the gel. There's markings here to let you know how much to draw up. To insert, you can either do it sitting down or lying down with your knees bent. So this is going to be our vagina here. So you're actually going to take the applicator that you pre-filled, place inside the vagina, and you're going to press the plunger to deposit the gel into the vagina. Like I said, these are reusable. You can hand wash them or you can put them in a dishwasher. You do want to make sure they are fully dry before you use them again. Find this and other great products at Walgreens.